Assalamu alaikum. My name is Professor Muhammad Wasiullah Khan. I'm an ENT surgeon. And I would like to talk about certain diseases of ear, nose and throat, since I am a surgeon dealing with those areas. Everybody knows about the nose itself. It's a pyramidal structure on the face. And just imagine that nose is such an important structure that if somebody was walking without a nose, what ghastly, ugly and ghostly look that he may present with. So nose is a very important structure and one needs to know about it. That's it for today.